You've never seen light move. The moment you flick a switch, the room fills with brightness so quickly that your eye cannot follow any motion. Light simply appears, everywhere, all at once. Sound, by contrast, travels leisurely at just over 340 meters per second. You see lightning long before you hear thunder. Even the fastest spacecraft ever built crawl across the cosmos compared to light's breathtaking speed. Light travels at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, so swift it outpaces every earthly experience. Visual picture a beam launched from Earth to the Moon. In just 1.28 seconds, it covers the 384,400 kilometer gap, while a rocket needs days to make the same journey. Human eyes and brains are not equipped to track such speed. Our visual system processes images in milliseconds, but light always wins the race. The illumination we see is not a traveling beam, but instantaneous presence. Light's astonishing velocity shapes our world. Fiber optic cables carry your voice and data across continents in moments. GPS satellites rely on light-speed signals to pinpoint your exact location. Even global stock markets synchronize trades with signals moving at light speed, keeping the world connected and in step. Astronomers observe galaxies as they were millions of years ago, thanks to light's relentless journey across space. Light is too fast to watch. It illuminates the universe before we ever see its passage.